Wait. Just when you thought tapos na ang mga episodes natin with our friend Jax Reyes, may pahabol pa. We are Vince, Yosh, and Ses. And welcome to the Poor Traveler Podcast, the show that will help you plan smart, travel safe, and make every trip worth it! So ito from I Am The Explorer. Ang sabi niya, would you say blogging or vlogging is a stable source of income?
Wow!
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Parang one
Mauna
episode.
sila.
Parang
Mauna.
episode.
Sige.
One episode siya.
Ikaw na muna, Jax.
I think a lot will say na it's a privilege that was given to us, which we're very, very thankful. When it comes to stable sources of income, it depends. Kasi you cannot say, hindi siya tulad ng day job back then na alam mong kada kinsenas may papasok sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
By hook or by crook, papasok yung sweldo. Kasi by law, hindi
Kailangan
pwede.
mong sumweldo.
Kailangan mong sumweldo. Kung cheque man yan o pipiso man yan, papasok yun. Diba? Syempre, when it comes to blogging or vlogging or content creation, hindi yan laging rainy day rin. So you have to make sure na you save. You have to you need to be able to budget wisely pa rin. And I think last but not the least is also we cannot see it, or ako personally, I don't see it as, I hope forever akong mag content create. Pero 'di ba, it might not be rin. So parang we also have to prepare ourselves na syempre it comes and goes. And so habang nandito pa siya, we're very thankful. Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng sumusubaybay. But when it comes to, you say na stable, it's good naman. Kasi it really fuels naman. Kaya sabi nga natin, sa lahat ng sumusuporta, it fuels our love for traveling, di ba? For sharing, di ba? And kaya nga lagi natin sinasabi na dapat may saysay rin yung ginagawa. May ginagawa namin, di ba? Kasi at least it helps, di ba? Rather than just creating because, alam mo, hindi kami mandadaya, di ba? Hindi na pwede mandaya lang kami because we want to earn. I think that's wrong, di ba? So, stable in the sense, hindi siya yung parang always this consistent. Syempre, may highs and lows pa rin naman siya. But it allows you to do things that you want to do in life.
You love to
do. But on the flip side, for those who want to enter the realm, and the realm talaga, no? Parang mali yung realm. The industry. Di ba? Pero go. Kasi we're not here to not say na, hey, wag kayo. No, go, try, do it. But syempre, it's work.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is work. A lot of work.
It is a lot of work. Parang sabi ko nga, parang yung stress level ko dati, parehas pa rin ngayon.
Same din sa corporate.
Same. Kasi parang, sabi
May
ko,
deadlines ka rin.
same.
Oo,
hindi siya parang akala, no.
Mm-mm.
But syempre, you have the privilege of maybe you can do the travel content more, di ba? Parang
Or
ganon.
drink while working.
Working, yung mga ganon, di ba? But syempre, it's still work. And if you wanna do it, go. Try it. Basta create content that is valuable. And kung corporate worker ka like me, how I was back then, ang tagal kong umalis bago ako nag-resign.
Hindi siya,
Kasi hindi siya parang, I wanna do it, focus ako dito.
Yes.
We have to eat.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo pa rin kumain.
Actually, ang
You have to
ganda
pay the
ng-
bills.
You have to pay the bills.
ng masashare ninyo, Vince, Yosh, and Jax. Kasi, may insight Parang yung mga youth of today, yung college level, ang dream nila nung sinurvey sila, to be a YouTuber content creator.
Talaga?
Yes.
Marami daw
Yes.
yan, yes.
It's tapos, di ba kasi di ba soon I'll be entering the academe.
Congrats!
Oh, thank you!
Congratulations!
So, yung mga
Congrats!
future colleagues ko.
Ma'am Ses.
Yung mga future colleagues ko, yun yung insight sa akin. Yun yung sinabi nila sa akin, girl, kailangan mo mag-share. Na parang, ano yung mga natutunan mo working with mga content creators? Kasi di ba hindi ako content creator, di ba?
Content creator ka na now. Kasi
You're
you're a
a podcaster, di ba?
Yes.
So parang sabi, girl, kailangan mo mag-share kasi yan ang gustong-gusto ng mga bata sa Q&A. Kasi they are seriously thinking about making it a career. Sabi ko, wow, should be approached with caution.
Correct.
Yung kung ano yung sasabihin mo. Kasi people can become successful.
Yes,
Diba?
I agree.
You guys have been successful. It's a business. Diba? It's not even like a hobby for your
Oo.
for your contexts eh. I also shared with them na parang kunyari, like for the successful ones, they have turned it into a business. They operate like a business. There is strategy behind it. There is financial planning behind it. There are suppliers, you have freelancers, you pay para kasi yung when you're traveling, the business still runs, 'di ba? It's still ongoing. So it's a very serious matter that should not be taken lightly na parang, oh, let me quit my job
Yeah.
and let me pick up that camera and start traveling. Parang merong thinking, strategy, planning behind it. And the advice is, tama ka, Jaxe, if you're a newbie, you just got out of college, wag muna. Experience
Sabayin
muna.
mo.
Experience muna a
I think
structured environment.
Yes. Kasi marami kang matututunan dun.
Oo.
Yes.
Marami talagang matututunan.
Yung discipline sa corporate world, ano yan?
Kasi apply mo
Perfect
sa'yo.
picture.
Diba?
Mhm.
Apply mo sa'yo. Be a sponge.
Yes.
Diba? Look at how your bosses budgets things. Ano yung mga priorities nila? Ano yung mga tactics nila that have the most balik? Lalo na, for example, you're in marketing, di ba? Ang dami mong makukuha. Na parang ito pala, hindi, ito pala, ganito. Tapos
Correct.
you have insider information din. How do companies, kasi syempre, one of your targets would be how to get brand deals, di ba? How to work with brands, corporations, large ones. When you're an insider, you know na, oh, ang corporate money, hindi yan kagad nabibigay, ah.
Yes. Oo. May planning, may budgeting and planning pag
Yes.
August and September,
Oo.
and kung wala ka doon,
Oo,
hindi
hindi
ka
ka kasama.
bibigay. Oo.
Hindi ka nakasama, hindi ka na-plug in, hindi ka part ng core plans, mahihirapan kumuha ng budget for
For
you
you,
to sponsor
yes.
you. So may mga ganun klase na you don't know it if you don't work in the
Yes.
inside at least for 2 years.
Mm-mm.
I dare say. At least 2 to 3 years. Oo, 'di ba? Minimum para lang matutunan mo siya.
Pero nga, sabi mo, Cece, lagi ko sinasabi kay Yosh to at kay Vince, kasi meron kami isang boss ni Yosh na parang sabi ko, what I learn or how I create my content na sabi ko, kailangan sobrang dali siya maintindihan was because of that boss.
Paano siya
Kasi ganun
makipag-usap
talaga
sa inyo? Oo.
Kahit na stricta talaga siya, but kasi, so it hit me back then na parang, no, kailangan naiintindihan siya of every age. Kasi kung hindi siya naiintindihan, wala nang kwenta yung how are you pushing that item? So kaya even up until now, sabi ko, Yosh, ganun ko siya iniisip. Parang kailangan mag-gets ko kaagad. Kung hindi, uulitin ko yung gagawin ko. Kasi hindi ko siya nag-gets eh.
Tama yun, and I mean, parang yung mga things like that, you don't get to practice that
Yes.
on a kasi ano siya, ha, it takes time and practice to be able to
At paminsan,
distill.
iiyak ka na, di ba?
Diba?
Sa hirap. Pero
Oo.
hindi ka pwede umiyak. Ganon. Yun yung mga
Diba?
things, may iiyak ka na parang, bakit ko ba ito
Pa-edit,
pinasok? Di ba?
paparevise,
Parang,
oo.
12 o'clock na, hindi ko pa masabit-sabit ng trabaho to. Pero hindi, kailangan na sa office. Di ba sabi ko, katabi ko na yung mga,
Mga mulmuk.
mumu dito,
Oo.
deadma. Kailangan ko
Oo.
siya matapos.
Ganun siya, guys, parang seryosong usapan siya. But at the same time, fun.
Yes.
As evidenced by,
Correct.
diba, the joys. Diba, the joys.
And you need to see the na matagal siya. I don't think, kasi
Ay,
baka yung mga feeling kasi na,
Ay,
eto na siya agad. Hindi. I think, evidence sa inyong dalawa, how long were you vlogging before you
With a
start?
B.
With a B.
Yes.
Oo, with a
How
B.
long were they vlogging plus the day job? And yung trabaho ko saan kami dati,
Patayan.
Hindi ka mahirap.
hindi, mahirap
Oo.
talaga. You have to balance it well.
Yes, yes,
Kaya
yes.
parang, kahit gabi na, tapos na yung trabaho, doon na ka gumagawa ng content.
Basically, kung may work kayo ngayon, kung meron kayong trabaho and you want to try vlogging, do not quit that
Yes.
job.
Correct.
Oo.
Try
Isabay niyo yung muna.
Isabay.
No one's stopping you to try it. Pero wag niyong bibitawan yung trabaho niyo ngayon
Kagad.
kaagad. Yun yung hope
Mm-mm.
for most people, pero kailangan siyang sabay kasi hindi siya madali. So it's not
A
parang
walk in the park.
yes, it's a very real risk talaga na mag-quit ka ng trabaho para lang maging content creator kasi whether it's blogging or vlogging sa YouTube or kahit sa TikTok or
TikTok.
sa IG, hindi ganun kadaling mag-build ng following.
Yeah.
And you need
Time.
time and experience para makuha mo yung
Yung level
yes.
that can sustain your life.
yes,
Diba?
oo.
Na you can earn from it.
Yes.
And as a word of caution din, if you're following, kunyari, Western creators, remember how the platform rewards the Western creators is not the same
In the
Yes.
Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
So, yung mga creator funds sa iba, di ba, na nabubuhay na sila sa
Yes.
creator funds, sa Philippines, technically, the creator fund budget is not that big. Close to nil and only open to very, very few. Di ba?
And even yung cost per mil, cost per view, di ba? Parang,
Iba. Di ba?
di ba, magkaiba. Like, kunyari, kung meron kaming, sa YouTube, kunyari, meron kaming 2 videos, yung isa ay English and mostly foreigners yung nanood, 100,000 views siya. Tapos, yung isa, kunyari, is Philippines, may 1 million views siya, kunyari. Tapos, mostly Pinoy yung nanood. Mas malaki yung kita nung US yung primary audience. Kasi, syempre, mas mataas yung charge sa kanila eh. Mas, di ba? Parang ganon.
Yung mga ganon, pwede yung matutunan yung mga ganyan. Parang you can do your research about it. Para lang you get into the industry. Remember, it's an industry. When you get into the industry with the helmet on, parang alam nyo ano yung ecosystem, di ba? So, yun. I mean, parang 1 episode dapat.
Yes, oo.
It's dapat may structure.
Pero ako, gusto ko lang sabihin na kami ni Vince, we've been vlogging for the past 15th year natin ngayon. So magsi 16 years na. And dun sa 15 years na yun, we have experienced how volatile this industry really is. So ang dami ng dilubyong dumating. Kaya parang kahapon lang pinag-usapan namin ni Jax na parang, di ba, hindi natin kailangan lumayo na parang history class. Hindi talaga. 2020, pandemic.
Yes.
Di ba? Lahat nung travel content creators, walang ginagawa kasi walang travel. Sarado yung mga borders. Hindi tayo makalabas ng bahay. So, babagsak talaga yung earnings mo. Number 1. Tapos, even ngayon, kunyari for bloggers with a boy, ang biggest threat ngayon is AI. These are things na parang you could see it. You could see it. But you could really never be fully prepared for it. And, di ba? Kasi parang bigla-bigla na, kunyari yung pandemic, di ba? Alam naman natin na, may namumuong something somewhere.
Marami nagkakasakit.
Oo, pero hindi mo
Hindi mo
siya...
alam na nag-lockdown pala, di ba?
Yes, you would never expect na bigla tayong 2 years tayong makukulong sa bahay, di ba? Who would have thought, di ba? Isipin mo kung yun lang yung pinagkakakitaan mo talaga. So, di ba? So, maraming ganyan. And it won't be the last pandemic. It won't be the last technological innovation na magbabago sa digital landscape na maapektuhan lahat ng vloggers. So, you have to be very, very flexible. And it's one thing din, kaya gusto ko yung sinabi ni Ces, it's another thing kasi that you could learn if meron kang experience sa corporate. Kung kunyari, bagong graduate kayo, kahit nasabihin nyo na, okay, marami na kayong followers, actually, kumikita na kayo, pwede na kayong hindi magtrabaho ng 9 to 5, I would still encourage that you work na 9 to 5 kasi it's not just about the strategy, it's not just about building your audience, it's also about ethics. It's also about professionalism. There are so many things that you could learn from working sa corporate world. Yun.
Na will bring you success as a content creator.
Yes.
Oo. Like replying to
emails.
replying to emails. Diba? Yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. Diba? Yung minsan yung may kausap ka in a professional setting, hindi nagbasa ng thread. Diba? And yet you have to reply.
You have to be nice.
Yes.
Very professional pa rin. Parang, sige, ilabas mo, magalit ka. Pero pag nag-email ka, dapat mabait ka.
Oo.
Corporate setup.
Yes.
Yun yung training ng corporate.
Yeah, training talaga.
So guys, to answer the question, yeah, stable siya. Pero if you're fresh grad, tapos may work ka ngayon, and you really want to be in the industry, know the numbers. Parang research well. And stay focused kung ano bang gusto mong achieve.
Yes.
Ano ba yung, ina-eye mo.
Correct.
Or kung ano man niche yan. Kasi currently, ang dami na. May iba-ibang platform to accommodate us all. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook,
Threads.
Reels, yan. Ang dami na.
LinkedIn pa. Dahil.
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans.
So, yun ba? Alamin niyo kung paano siya nag-work and ano ba yung may offer niyo na additional na value Na parang ma-set apart kayo doon sa mga content creators na parang aabangan sa inyo. Ganon.
Ay, wait lang. One last na i-add ko lang kay Vince. Kasi napag-usapan niya yung content. Feeling ko rin, one last is, I think same aligned rin naman tayo dito na when you started to create content, your first goal was not really to earn from it.
Yeah.
Kasi I think if you keep on chasing the money, baka madismaya ka lang. Feeling ko that's one thing. Kasi parang when we were talking about how you all started it, it's because you wanted to create it to share to more people. It was not because gusto ko kumita. I think kasi pag gusto mo lang kumita, I don't know, may saying na gano'n eh. Pag gusto mo lang kumita, mahirap mong habulin yung pera.
Mas mahirap.
Mas mahirap siya.
Mas mailap.
Parang may
mailap,
gano'n eh. May
oo.
nagsabi ng gano'n eh. So, even the Chinese saying, may gano'n, ewan ko lang, naalala ko sinasabi ng nanay ko yun eh. Sabi ko, when I monetize guys ha, 2 years ako gumagawa ng content araw-araw na walang monetization yun. Across platform.
Oo.
Wala talaga. As in parang, and then sa gabi ko yan, pagkatapos ng 9 to 5 ko, magsushoot ako ng
Magre-record ka.
TikTok,
Oo.
tapos ipopost ko siya sa gabi. Ganun siya. And that was day in, day out.
Grabe
I'm sure
yung
you're the same sa inyo.
consistency, no? Oo.
Yes, oo.
Siguro, relate ko lang din sa podcast natin na to, no?
Bilang hindi tayo kumikita din.
Hindi, di ba?
Diba? Kasi parang, gusto ko yung sabi ni Jackson, na parang, kunyari, this podcast, guys, lagi namin sinasabi sa audience naman namin, transparent kami. Guys, wala kaming kita dito.
Wala talagang kita
Oh,
dito.
wala kaming kita dito, kaya please pakirate kami ng 5 stars. Parang yun
Uy,
yung-
mag-rate kayo.
Parang yun yung kapalit. Kasi parang sa totoo lang, feeling namin talaga, ewan ko, sorry kung medyo, sasabihin ko, feeling ko may natutulong naman kasi kami. I think so, ha?
Oo naman.
Kasi meron din mga nag-message na, uy, nakatulong sa amin, na-apply ko na yung tips, or parang, looking forward na ako, next year na yung trip ko, kasi narinig ko sa podcast nyo.
Or na-approve yung visa ko.
O yun, something as
Diba?
simple as that. Parang ang sarap din sa heart na, ay, yung kadaldalan lang namin, yung kwento-kwentuhan namin, updating lang namin, ay meron siyang naidulot na maganda sa mga totoong tunay na tao, 'di ba? So sabi ko rin nung nag-share ako about podcasting, yung audience natin hindi man siya milyonan. Pero yung thousands na nakikinig sa mga episodes natin, parang nagiging classmate nga, di ba?
Ka-section! Mga ka-section!
Mga ka-section. So, naging parang friends na natin sila, nag-share sila, nagdi-DM sila. Sana pa-activate lalo nila yung The Traveler Support Group for more sharing, no? Pero, parang nakaka-create siya ng community. And ako para saan, as a human being, meron siyang parang purpose for me. Nagkakaroon ako ng purpose. Siguro parang, kunyari, existentialism talk, diba? Na parang, nagkakaroon ako ng purpose as a human, na yung life experience ko pala, even if ganito lang siya kaliit, meron palang iba na kaya mag-benefit. So I feel connected. I then feel connected to this community. And, hindi siya babayaran ng pera.
Yes, hindi siya matatapat.
Parang wala siyang
Hindi
pera.
nabibili.
Wala siyang nabibili. Yung ganong feeling, no?
Yes, agree. Hindi talaga siya nabibili.
Parang kunyari, meron ako na experience or tayo na experience. Parang, ay, pwede, di ba minsan ganun tayo, magchat-chat ako, alam mo, pwede natin itong share sa podcast.
Yes.
Minsan chat ako kay Yosh na, baka ito pwede natin itong i-discuss sa podcast, isama natin, baka makatulong. So parang ako, my days are okay. Kumaga, at the end of the day, meron akong idea. O later on, pursue namin when we record. So, nagkakaroon ng kakaibang purpose. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, di ba?
Nasaan ka na? Parang nasa top na tayo, ha?
Ano sa pinaka?
Self-actualization. Diba?
May ganun sa guys. May ganung benefit yung podcast sa amin. Kaya thank you, Jax, ha? Kahit na super free lang yung guesting mo sa amin.
Hindi pa natin sure yun. Maya i-charge tayo.
Maya mag-email ng invoice niya. Oh my God.
Grabe. Sabi ni Jax, 2 hours nyo akong pinagod. Guys, 2 hours and 13 minutes lang
Matagal pala natin
pinag-record.
nag-uusap po. Diba? Dito pala siya titingnan.
Ganun siya. So thank you, Jax.
Oo naman.
Promise.
Of course.
Sabi ni Jax, wala ba? Free pala to.
Wala pa ng TM.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Hindi. Ito yung mga gusto kong gawain, no? OA sila. OA. Sorry na.
Ganon, may ganon. Yun.
Tama.
And there you have it. Yan ang last of the Jax episodes. And dahil Burr months na, alam nyo na, malapit na ang Halloween special natin. Woo! So if meron kayong mga horror stories, travel-related man yan or hindi, send nyo naman sa amin. Just DM us sa Instagram at The Poor Traveler para mabasa namin dito sa podcast. That's all for now. This has been the Poor Traveler Podcast, and remember, plan smart, travel safe, and make every trip worth it!